Hello, Tom LaVecchia here with the latest edition of the MBA and Button Man podcast. I'm your co-host, Tom LaVecchia, and I'm here with my other co-host, John P.O.Box.
Say your blessings, Tommy, make the sign of the cross. I got that weapon on me. I'm about to catch my second homie. MBA and Button Man podcast, subscribe to it. You can play it in your car, you can ride to it. I supply music, I'm Bill-Staxx, Tom LaVecchia and John Panisi, spitting real facts. Ill cats, you should see the show. They got these cats coming on that you people should know. For yo, from the place where people talk way too much and they don't mind their own business, walk gangster tough. Bill-Staxx be the one that's straightening this out. These other podcast dudes wanna fake it, we out.
Former made member of the Case of Crime family and recently Vlad interviewed a YouTuber now, John Panisi. How you doing? And we're here with the NBA Buttman podcast. How you doing?
I'm doing good. It's a nice day and I'm relaxing.
I should say welcome to you. You're in your own home. So
that's right.
This is your podcast and we're doing some cool things. John just got off the phone, which I cannot talk about, with a potential guest and a monster, to say the least. So we got some really great stuff coming up. You notice this week we're putting out a little bit more content. We were light last week. You guys gave us a lot of crap for it. So loud and clear, we hear it. So we sped up some of the content that we have in the queue. Just a reminder, subscribe below, notifications below on YouTube. If you're listening on audio, whatever platform you're on, make sure you subscribe and even leave a review. And leave an honest review. Could be good, could be bad. And John and I have very thick skin, and we're always looking to improve the experience for you guys. So today, we had a good one. We got a really good one. This is one that I've been pushing for a while. John's happy to do it. I'm going to ask John to rank the 5 families in New York in terms of power, prestige, etc. But before we go into the ranking, John, maybe let's talk about the different factors, if you will, right? First, let's talk about power. How would you define power, and what does that look like to you in the current day LCN?
In today's times, it's money.
Money, okay.
Power, money is power.
Okay. So pretty much most powerful, money, power, strength in terms of men, or does it matter how much men you have? It's really about the quality and the earning power. What are your thoughts?
Quality over quantity, but I mean, in anything in life, I guess strength does come in numbers, but you got to have quality.